This is the #1 mindset shift that changed my career. When I was first writing, and I wrote those 10 books in 8 years that got rejected everywhere, I really struggled with people not loving my baby. The thing that I had created, I wrote all those words. I really wanted everybody to love them, and I took it personally. And I get it. That's how it feels when you get a rejection or a bad review, because you put your heart and soul into that book. I put my heart and soul into every one of the books that was rejected. And it was really hard for me when the editors rejected it, or if I get some kind of bad feedback from critique partners. But I had a mindset shift that came about from a conversation with another author where she said, this is not your baby. This is a product.
It's not personal, Sonny. It's strictly business.
A book is a product on the shelf. Everyone in the world, except for you because you created it. This product is something that you want people to pay money for.
Oh, pick me!
And then feel good about paying that money for it. Whether that money is an advance from an editor or the $6.99 from a reader, whichever it is, they need to feel like they made a good investment. It's a product that must deliver on the appearance and the promise you make to the reader. So if you start off with a couple funny pages in the beginning and then the rest of the book is deep, dark, and weepy, the reader's going to be mad because that promise was not kept. If you have this amazing cover and this great back cover copy and everything's awesome, and then the reader gets inside and it's all typos and grammatical mistakes, then the reader's going to feel like they didn't get the experience that they paid for. So you really want every part of the book to match the experience that you are delivering to the reader. The last thing that I stopped worrying about was sales and reviews. I don't typically go and read my reviews. I don't typically look at the sales of my books because honestly, it can paralyze you as much as anything else. First time I hit a bestseller list, I was paralyzed with fear that my editor was going to expect me to do it again. And I thought, I don't even know what made that book a bestseller, never mind this one. Now, some people can totally look at their reviews and their sales rankings and look at it from more of a business perspective. For me, I knew that those would kind of really hurt my morale. And so I do the things that protect myself as an author. I don't really think about who's going to read the book once I get it out there. I think about making the best possible ever experience for my reader with every page that I write. You also have to absolutely be open to outside constructive criticism and outside perspective. It is really hard because you're so close to the book and you love it so much to see all of the flaws. But when somebody else that's an editor or a professional gives you an opinion, then you should absolutely listen to it.
Is it me, or was that the ugliest baby?
And remember, your Aunt Helen is going to love everything you write. She's going to say, this is the best book ever.
The thing is, they'll never know. No one's ever going to tell them.
Because she's your aunt and she loves you. A professional editor may say, you know what? You don't really have any conflict on the page, or the plot isn't moving along the way that it should. Kind of look at where the criticism is coming from and either take it with a grain of salt or actually apply it. And if you don't know how to apply some of that, then watch this video here because that will really help you get your book to the next level.